Welcome to a research word in 1 minute. Research word number 11, assume. American pronunciation, assume. A-ssume. Assume. British pronunciation,
assume, assume, assume.
meaning. Assume means to act as though something is true, although you know possibly it might not be, or to imagine something as true. Common usage in academic writing that you need to know are reasonable to assume the worst, and to assume incorrectly. Example sentence, assume, verb. In this analysis, we assume the long-term interest rate does not fall below 0. The variation of assume in academic writing that you need to know is assumption, noun. Example sentence number 1. My calculations were based on the assumption that housing prices would remain steady. Example sentence number 2. The results can vary widely depending on the input assumptions used in the model. Now you can use assume confidently in your research. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Have a great week!